Hey guys, so here's an update of what we've done so far with the greenhouse. We added the sticks, like I said we would, to keep the panels from flying away. So some of them are just pressured, and on top my husband went ahead and put a screw in the middle just for more security. Then I noticed that some of my plants were shriveling a little bit. At 1 o'clock, the sun was already feeling really strong in there, and we're not even in summer yet. So I added a shade cloth. After I added the shade cloth, I took my meter, my light meter, and I measured the light, and it was good. It's really high. So it was good for the plants. I also was looking at my cactuses indoor, and I did notice some stretching. Not stretching, I'm sorry, some thinning in some of my cactuses, so I decided to go ahead and bring them out. I might have to bring more of my plants out because some of them are not getting enough sun. So in order for me to avoid the stretching, I'm gonna have to do that. And you can't see my cactuses because the sun is right there, and there you go, maybe this way. So those are some of my cactuses. See this one? Let me see if I can get it to focus because the sun is beaming right there. Right here it's thinning out a little bit, and that's a sign of not enough sunlight. And this one I'll show you right here. See here. So previously she wasn't getting enough sun right here. Then I got her where she was getting enough sun, so she got thicker here. But then as she goes down, there is more thinning there, and that is a sign of not enough light. And is it gonna focus? Let's see if I can get it to focus. Okay, so I stopped the wind chimes because they were driving me crazy. I thought they would stop for a little bit, but they just kept going. Okay, so I did some changes in here. I added this contact paper on here just to make it look a little bit brighter. And I took the shelf that was here and brought it up so that I'm using all my space as much as I could. And there they are. I don't think you can see them. There you go. There you go. So my cactuses. Little by little, I'll decide whether I'm going to bring them all out. I just got to keep an eye on them. If they start to lose their structure, then I'll move them. So there I have some babies. I'll show you. See, this little baby got a little bit of burn. There you go. She suffered some burn there. I hate when that happens because it's like, oh darn, I have to wait until it grows out. This prince is looking very, very pink. I don't know. We'll see what happens to that. Okay, and now what else? So I need to decide what I want to pot together because like I said, I know some of my plants will start to come in here that I have inside. And then, so I got to get plants that are more lower light tolerant, like bright light, but not super bright. So I'm thinking about making this arrangement. This with the baby's necklace and the baby toes, which I left inside. I forgot to grab them. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put that on that. I really like this pot. My dad got this pot for me at the Goodwill. And I have a drill bit, a diamond drill bit, which I use to drill holes. I don't know if it's worn out or this material here is just so difficult to drill through. I mean, I tried and I could not do it. Like, it was killing my drill bit. So my husband, he used a machine that he has, and he drew a line. He asked me if that was good. I'm like, yeah, that's perfect. That's gonna work. So that's perfect. And then I gotta figure out what to put in here to go. This is what I got from Leaf and Clay, plus one more, which I don't know where it is. One more, and I don't know where it is at this time. I'm gonna put that in there. Then I think the cactuses that I got, they're gonna go in pots, in regular clay pots. And I'll decide what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, the blue elf is gonna go here. I think that will look good. So that little baby blue elf is gonna go in there. And then I have these new ones that I got at Walmart for $10. So you get 6 plants for $10. That is like $1.50 something or something like that, pretty close, right? So that's pretty cheap. And I was like, oh yeah. And they had just came out the truck. Like I was there when they were unloading the truck. I'm like, yep, let me take this before they overwater them, or you know, put them in the sun to burn. So yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna see if I'll record myself potting some of these. I know that I had some requests to pot. This is also from the Goodwill. My dad got it for me. This is from Ross. I like it a lot because it already came with a pre-drilled hole, and it had a little plastic thing where you can cover the hole if you didn't want to, you know, use it like that. This one I got from the Goodwill for 25 cents, and I drilled and drilled. This is so difficult also. I think it could be because my drill bit was already, you know, wasting away there. And here is the other one that my dad made. My husband made the line for, and my dad also got me that one. My dad was going to the Goodwills, and I just say, hey, keep an eye on low profile pots because I really like those. See, low, low, low. So he said, okay, and he got me those. He was excited to give them to me. And then maybe I'll take some of my new plants and revamp that one in there. Also, I need to take that apart and drill a hole into that because that has no hole. And yeah, redo that. It sucks that, you know, Home Depot sells arrangements like this with no hole. Like, anyone can put a saucer or a plate under that, you know? Now you gotta go through the trouble of making a hole. This is one of the pots that I made. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there. So yeah. Over here, oh yeah, I brought that little table over here. Sorry. I need to, there's a lot of babies here that I moved from over there from one of my box planters because I planted some plants there that I think will do very well in the sun. So I need to replant those. And here's a bunch of babies here growing. These are so cute. So yeah. I need to put these in where they get a little bit more sun. Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Hey guys, I don't know how good this video is going to be, but I'll try. I just stopped here at a farmer's market. I came to fish nearby, so I just saw it and I said, let me stop in there and see what we see.
Charlie's right there. She's buying plants.
A lot of fruit and vegetables and plants. Oh my gosh. Never seen that one before. I don't even know what it is. It's pretty cool.
Oh, they're awesome.
Aloes, bunch of herbs. Oh, those are cool. Those are cute. Coconut. Live music.